Here today, we're in a special location.
Yeah, so where are we?
We're in...
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are you? Where are you going?
Play.
Yeah, where? Yeah, where are you going?
Play.
Yeah, playing. Oh. Yeah, and?
Daddy City.
Yeah, Daddy's eating. And? Mm-hmm. Secret destination.
Find out when we get there.
When we get there. Welcome, Island family.
Welcome back.
Welcome to the Island family, guys. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. I'm not even going to ask you to do it. It's whatever. Anyhow, we're here today. We're in a special location. Are we sharing the location?
We probably might, because we might use the title. You know what I mean? But yeah, so where are we?
We're in Cairns. Cairns,
Yeah,
tropical Queensland, Cairns.
Yeah.
Although you might think it's only up the road from where we usually live and stay, it is actually
totally different.
To almost a whole day, 24 hours to get here.
Yeah, if you were to drive.
If you were to drive.
Yeah, and
it is
like over 2 hours flight. 2 hours.
2 hours flight.
Yeah.
So, guys, it is so hot.
Yeah.
I can't wait to put a dress on.
It's so different from Casino. Like, Casino is a bit more chilly at the moment. You can feel the winter coming in.
Yeah.
Here it's
It's tropical, guys.
And the guy said at the airport there, it doesn't really get like winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not at all. It doesn't get winter.
Yeah.
So, which is really good. It gets rainy. They have a little bit of cold. If you live up in the mountains, he said it gets really cold, like about the lowest is 10 degrees, but then during the day it warms up and it's warm all day. As you can see, guys, we're quite tired. We've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. We left home, did a 3-hour trip to Brisbane Airport so we can get this flight. We're excited. We've never been here before. I've never been to Cairns before. Babe's obviously never been here, and neither has Baby Island. So we've got so much to see and so much to explore. But first off, our trip will be going to the Airbnb that we have picked for the day, and we'll do a little tour there. And then after that, we will we'll go for a trip, go get something to eat, and just sort of chill out just for the day today, and then tomorrow will be packed of adventures. So guys, join us. We can't wait to, you know, show you guys what Cairns here at tropical Queensland, which apparently I was told it is the oldest rainforest
I have no idea.
in the whole world. Cairns right now. So Cairns is the oldest rainforest, the oldest and tropical rainforest here in Australia, in the whole world. So I'm so super excited to see what it has. I can already see mountains. As I was coming off the flight, I could see coconut trees. So hopefully, you know, we can find some things here that resembles back to Babe's country in Jamaica, and also my favorite fruits that I love to eat, like jackfruit, pineapple, coconuts.
And what else Cairns is known for is the saltwater crocodile.
Oh yes.
You can't just go swim into any
I didn't
beach.
really want to share that with them right now. I just wanted to surprise them, but no, you're right, babe. Saltwater no, not saltwater.
Is it salt?
Yeah, saltwater crocodiles and crocodiles in the rivers, in the lakes, or some lakes. But yes, guys, we have to be super careful where we swim and where we go because of the crocodiles. I'm so excited to show you guys. Let's go, let's do this. Come on, let's go, babes. Where's the excitement? Island, you happy? You excited? It's a little getaway. It's not a long one, guys, you know, but I did say, you know, we've never been to Cairns and I've always wanted to come here, and this is the first time that we're able to actually afford and be able to do that. So you know, we'll see how we go with future planning trips, but yeah, there are other bigger things that we want to conquer before we go on any other trips. So this is just a small little trip, just to, you know, familiarize ourselves around this area, and if we like it, who knows what the future holds. We might come and live here. We don't know. Anyways, guys, I'll give the camera to Babe, and Babe will do some videoing outside so you guys can see.
Catch you on the road.
Catch you on the road. This kind of reminds me of Jamaica a little bit, and Fiji, like how spaced open it is. Like it's not like a closed in airport like a big city like Brisbane or, you know, or Sydney or Melbourne. It's like an open,
then at the roundabout,
an open way. So we're at the moment, we're on our way back to the Airbnb, guys. I'm driving a truck, it feels like. It's a pretty big car.
This rental is broad.
It's big. Yeah, it's like they thought that we were gonna have like a big ass family or something.
At the roundabout,
when we get out, we'll show you the outside of it.
Yeah, we will. We'll show you the outside of it, guys, and the inside of it. It's crazy.
I watch so much well, this guy, I think his channel is called Luke Falson, the guy that I watch from here. For some reason I thought that was coconut a while ago, but it's palm tree.
Wow, this is so tropical. Island boy, Island, wake up, Papa. Why aren't you waking up, man? You gotta wake up.
Tired?
You tired, huh?
in 2.3 kilometers, turn left onto Lake Street.
Oh, coconut, babe, look.
Wow.
Finally we greet the coconut right out of the airport.
What? Another one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Coconut, the man tree there, boy. Mangrove system over there, sir. Yo!
So basically, another thing about Cairns besides the crocodiles as well is that the amazing great barrier reef.
Yeah.
The one of the best in the world is here.
Which is the largest reef in the world.
Which is the largest reef in the world, and we have the largest tropical. It's the actual oldest forest in the world.
Yeah.
From what I have been able to gather.
Yeah.
At this present time, fishing here is amazing. I told Babe to bring his fishing rod, and I know that he's going to go buy one because he got his fishing rod. But apparently right now the season is for this month, May, is for the season is for mahi-mahi, marlin, mackerel, snapper, emperor, red emperor, also
At the next
grunt.
traffic lights, turn left.
Yeah. Is it grunt or the other one that you usually?
I don't quite know. Look at all the mangrove.
Yeah, that could be bloody crocodiles in there.
Yeah, they would probably have mud crabs too.
Wow, look at the coconuts.
Yeah.
Do you reckon that they'll be edible, like drinkable?
Yeah, I reckon so. And also, correct me if I'm wrong, but I was watching the same fishing guy from here, and I read one of his comments, and the person said
At the traffic lights, turn left on Lake
Queensland is known for being the capital of like cancer, like
Oh, wow.
because of how hot the sun gets here.
What, here in Cairns?
Yeah,
probably.
so
And I forgot sunscreen, so guess what? I'm gonna have to buy some.
yeah, so correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what that's the comment I read from this YouTuber that fishing here in Cairns.
Wow. this
Yeah,
is
so
beautiful.
the sun penetrates here more than anywhere else apparently. And we're in the state of Queensland.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're in Queensland still, but to get here by car it would have taken us 23 hours
Yeah.
to drive, which we could have done if we were here for, say for example, we were coming to visit for 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, it would
Then
have
we
worked
could have, it would have worked out, yeah. But if you're only coming for a few days, it's not worth driving 20 hours just to get here.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think it is anyway.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Lily Street, then turn left
Oh,
onto
it's the
Sharon
first I see a
Street.
sign that says 30. Go
Oh, wow,
30.
30 even.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's crazy. Must be like, this must be a real residential kind of area.
Yeah.
At the next traffic lights, turn left.
Yo, steady. Yo, stack up. Diplomats forever, you know, it's style like that.
The jerky and nut shop.
Oh
Local South African international food.
yeah. Wow.
American, Brazilian, Colombian and Mexican.
What? Nice place to come.
Oh yeah. Dining and takeaway.
Yeah.
Authentic Indian. You want Indian?
Yeah, we can.
Alright, I'll park this. Oh
Or
wow, look.
the market.
Loading dock? Yeah.
Music.
Oh, we're gonna have to come here, babe.
Yeah.
Oh wow. German sausages, orange juice, mandarin, avocado. Oh yeah, we have to come here. Look, they've got freaking fruits.
Yeah, all different type of
all
fruit
different
today.
types of fruit. Of the pineapples, babe. The
Nice.
bananas.
Yeah, this we have to come here for
Yeah,
real.
for real.
And
Do you
probably have
reckon-
jackfruit too.
Yeah, do you reckon they're open? Like, we're gonna have to come
Yeah.
in the afternoon before they close.
Shit.
Alright, I'm gonna have to get a parking. she'll keep going.